I'm just gonna be so mad. I'm just gonna be so mad. Because this was my ticket, but and I had Audrey's, and he had mine, and I was like, here, I'll take the one up front, and then I gave him mine, and it turns out you're up here.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board. We hope you have a great flight with South African Airways today. Now, nothing is more important to us than your safety. So, even if you're a frequent flyer, we'd appreciate your attention while we take you through some of the safety features of this aircraft.
Hello, Sawubona, and a warm South African welcome to everyone on board. Civil aviation regulations require your compliance with the illuminated passenger information signs, posted placards, and all instructions from the flight crew. For your safety and that of your fellow passengers, your baggage must now be securely stowed in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. If you're seated at an emergency exit, your hand luggage cannot be stored under the seat or on the floor, but must go into an overhead compartment. When opening these compartments, please take care, as some of the items may have shifted. Seatbelt signs are visible throughout the cabin. Whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated, please fasten your seatbelt by pushing the flat metal end of the belt into the buckle. Adjust the belt by pulling the strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap to release the buckle. For your own safety, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight. Seatbelts for infants will be provided by the crew. The use of all portable electronic devices is restricted during taxi, takeoff, and landing. Transmitting devices equipped with flight mode or its equivalent may be used in flight once the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Ensure that your device is turned to flight mode now. Transmitting devices not equipped with flight mode present a risk to the aircraft navigational system and must remain switched off throughout the flight. Please consult the safety guide in Sawubona magazine for a list of devices approved for use during the flight. Smoking is strictly prohibited on all South African Airways flights. All toilets are monitored by smoke detectors. Attempting to smoke during this flight is a serious offense and is punishable by law. The cabin pressure in this aircraft is carefully controlled. Should there be a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the panel above you. Remain seated in the seat pocket in front of you. Please read it to re-familiarize yourself with the safety features of this aircraft. We are now preparing for takeoff. Ensure that your seat back is in the upright position, that your tray table and footrest are folded away, and that your seatbelt is fastened. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask any of our cabin crew, who would be more than willing to assist.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of all of us at South African Airways, we wish you an enjoyable flight, and we thank you for flying with us.
Cabin crew prepare the cabin for takeoff, please.
She would have gotten one day. She got there's the runway. How long are runways? This is, I think this is one of the longest runways in the world. Not gonna lie. This runway's pretty. 1 mile? Huh? 2 miles?
Here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the commander has switched off the seatbelt lights. You may then leave the aircraft. Be careful when opening the overhead stowage compartments, as some luggage may have shifted during the landing. Make sure that you have all your personal possessions with you. All mobile phones, regardless of mode, must remain switched off until we have opened the aircraft doors. Smoking is prohibited until you are in a designated smoking area. If you need any help during disembarkation, please remain in your seat. Once all other passengers have disembarked, the cabin crew will gladly assist you. All passengers for our final destination must remain on board. The aircraft should be on the ground for approximately 1 hour. During this time, keep the aisles, galley, and toilet areas clear so that the cleaners and caterers can have access to the aircraft cabin. Another crew will be taking over from us, so we will say goodbye. We trust that you've enjoyed your flight with us, and we look forward to seeing you again. We wish you a pleasant onward journey. Enjoy the hospitality offered by our colleagues.
Mesdames et messieurs, veuillez rester assis et garder votre ceinture attachée jusqu'à l'arrêt complet de l'appareil et l'extinction du signal lumineux. Vous pourrez alors quitter l'appareil. Prenez garde lorsque vous ouvrez les compartiments au-dessus de votre tête, certains bagages ayant pu être déplacés pendant l'atterrissage. Assurez-vous de n'avoir rien oublié. Les téléphones portables, quel que soit leur mode, doivent rester éteints jusqu'à l'ouverture des portes de l'appareil. Il est interdit de fumer avant d'être arrivé dans une zone fumeur. Si vous avez besoin d'assistance pour le débarquement, veuillez rester assis. Une fois que les autres passagers seront sortis, le personnel de bord se fera une joie de vous aider. Tous les passagers pour notre destination finale sont priés de rester à bord. Nous devrions rester au sol pendant environ 1 heure. Veuillez ne pas encombrer les couloirs, l'office et les toilettes afin que les agents de service puissent accéder à la cabine. Nous allons être remplacés par un nouvel équipage et vous disons donc au revoir. Nous espérons que votre vol a été agréable en notre compagnie et que nous vous reverrons prochainement. Nous vous souhaitons un excellent voyage en compagnie de nos collègues.